Introducing EcoPoint 3 Liquid Phase Mixing, a revolutionary and new proprietary technology that replaces the traditional dry mixing process. This allows rubber compounding materials to be mixed fully, uniformly under continuous liquid phase conditions for a consistent rubber compound mix. This means no matter the type of tire or application, including high performance, all-season, commercial, and specialty products, EcoPoint 3 liquid phase mixing technology will adapt to deliver the right rubber balance for exceptional performance and longevity in a wide range of vehicle and seasonal applications. This breakthrough comes from years of advanced research and development on high-performance rubber materials. The innovative EcoPoint 3 process and rubber compounding has garnered industry recognition and has already won several international tire technology awards, bringing the Saloon Tire Group into a new level of global competitiveness. EcoPoint 3 technology not only improves a tire's rolling resistance for increased efficiency, but also enhances traction and provides more durable tire wear resistance, making tires that can last longer and perform better for a safer, more energy efficient, and comfortable drive.